Hello all, warm greetings to everyone. In this session, we will be seeing about systems of drafting. This topic comes under the subject fabric structure and design. So in systems of drafting, first one is straight draft. So straight draft is commonly used draft and it is the simplest of all the types of draft plans. The drafting order progresses successfully from first to the last held frame, that is from first end through the first held and in second through the second held, and so on the process continues. And the last is a peg or lifting plan. Here it is same as the design. So here in straight draft, design and peg plan will be the same. Next is skip and sateen. So it is suitable for weaving fabrics having heavy warp thread density. Number of held frames may be twice or more than the minimum required for a weave. Purpose is to distribute the warp threads more uniformly to prevent abrasion of threads due to overcrowding. Next one is pointer draft. So it is a draft which is similar to straight draft. So this type of draft is suitable for weaves such as pointed twill, diamond weaves and ordinary types of honeycomb weaves. And straight draft is reversed after half of the repeat warp weight. As we have seen before, straight draft is also one commonly used draft and simplest of all the types. So likewise, pointed draft is also one of the common and simplest of the type of draft plans. So next one is a broken draft. This draft may be considered as modified pointer draft. It is also a combination of straight drafts of different direction of construction. In broken drafts, a break in continuous occurs where the warp thread reverses its direction. This direction is reversed not on the last on first shaft as in pointer draft. The broken draft is applied for producing herringbone, twill, etc. Next one is divider draft. So in this draft, the held shafts are divided into two or more groups. For every group, suitable draft is selected in pile weave. Two or more sets of warp threads are used. So they require this type of draft. For example, the ground of warp thread of warp pile fabric are passed through the front held shafts and pile warp thread are passed through the back held shafts. This draft is employed for derived weaves, double warp weaves, two ply weaves, etc. Next one is group draft. This type of draft is used for producing check and stripe fabric, in which stripes have different weaves and their combinations. Here in example, the first 4 threads of warp are responsible for one type of stripe and the next thread are for another stripe. This type of draft is used for mainly producing check and stripe fabric. Next one is curved draft. So curved draft. This draft is applied fancy weave having large warp repeat with a view to reduce the number of held shafts. There are irregular and actually cannot be classified. In word, it may be regarded as a type of pointer draft, but where number fixed pick point will occur. This type of draft is used to produce decorated weave with large repeat unit. Next one is combined draft. Various methods of drawing in can be combined in one draft for producing a certain type of fabric. Two or more drafts described above can be applied simultaneously. For example, straight draft and skip or sateen draft, or group draft and curved draft, and so on. Combined draft is the most complicated and can be chosen only if there are some technological or economic reasons. Thank you. We'll see you in the next session.